AI, ML, NLP, LLM. Were you also confused like me about these terms around this AI world? I was thoroughly, and did some research, so I'm here to share that in a very simple day-to-day spoken English with you guys. So AI. But AI is that irritating friend that we all have. In my case, it's my brother-in-law, Mark, the know-it-all guy. But the good part is that this type of a guy, the AI, makes this machine do things equivalent to human intelligence. Now the good news here is that Mark has a very smart cousin, ML, machine learning. Now he says, don't give me rules, give me examples, give me data, and I will figure out things. So just imagine you give him 10,000 pictures of cats, and in few seconds he will turn around and say, okay, I get it, 4 legs, 2 ears, slightly judgmental face, probably a cat. So ML, machine learning, learns from data, from examples. Now let's talk about another type of friend, the quiet type, always observing how we are talking. And that in AI world is called NLP, natural language processing. Now NLP's job is to understand how we talk, which is a very difficult task. Because imagine if somebody asks me, how am I? And I reply saying, I'm fine, or I am fine, or I am fine. Do you know what I mean? So it gets very difficult with the meaning of this sentence. Depends on the face expression, the tone, the situation, etc., etc. Now this is where things get very interesting. Now just imagine Mark in his 60s. So he has 20 more years of reading through internet, case studies, white papers, blah, 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 blah. Now for this Mark, if you ask him, Mark, can you help me write an email? And Mark quickly generates a professional, polite email. 20 years of experience, he also gets ambitious and says, why I just only write when I can also create, when I can also design, when I can also code. So this avatar of Mark, my friend, is called the Gen AI, the generative AI. So basically the old Mark, I can write for you, versus the new Mark, I can create for you. Now Mark gets ambitious, obviously he gets successful, now he gets an assistant. And that assistant in AI world is called the Agentic AI. So now you don't tell Mark how to plan a trip. You ask Mark's assistant to plan the trip. Find the right flights, the right hotels, the good reviews, the places that we can go and visit, etc., etc. And the agent will sort you out. So this is the big shift. Getting the information to creating stuff to now AI actually taking action. So this is brilliant. Here, my friend, that's the summary that you can see, where you don't have to remember because we have AI, everything on fingertips.